The top 5 business technology news stories from the past week. Number 5. Apple announced an iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Pro at their press conference this week. Both devices feature USB-C connectors, with the iPhone 15 Pro having USB 3, enabling up to 10 gigabits per second transfer rates. Unfortunately, the device only ships with a USB 2 cable. Customers will have to buy the USB 3 separately to get the advertised transfer rates. Number 4. An ancient supervolcano in the United States may be hiding the largest deposit of lithium found anywhere in the world. Lithium is a key component in electric car batteries. A new study hypothesizes that the McDermott caldera contains more than double the concentration of lithium seen in any other bed of clay globally, around 20 to 40 million metric tons in total. Number 3. Tesla's new manufacturing process could significantly reduce costs and increase production of its electric vehicles. It can die-cast almost an entire vehicle underbody as a single piece. Tesla's mold-making process involves building molds layer by layer with sand. The automaker still has several hurdles to overcome before the process is complete. Tesla reportedly plans to use the process on its long-awaited $25,000 electric car. Number 2. In a blow to the autonomous trucking industry, the California Senate passed a bill that requires a trained human safety operator to be present anytime a self-driving, heavy-duty vehicle operates on public roads in the state, effectively banning fully autonomous trucks. Number 1. It's been a bad week for casinos. Following reports that Caesars paid millions in ransom to a cybercrime group, hotel and casino giant MGM Resorts has confirmed a cybersecurity issue is to blame for an ongoing outage affecting systems at the company's Las Vegas properties. According to reports on social media, the incident has led to outages impacting ATM cash dispensers and slot machines at MGM's Las Vegas casinos, and forced hotel restaurants to accept cash-only payments. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.